Ag PhD full episodes and more are now available on Acres TV, the newest ag platform connecting you to fields of information. Look for us on watchacrestv.com.
During our Farm Basics time today, we're going to talk about personal protective equipment.
What's great about many of the products you may be considering to spray or use for cleaning is they also have a separate sheet. Besides just the use rate and all that, they also have a safety sheet that will tell you exactly what you need for personal protective equipment for your eyes, for your skin, just in general to utilize certain products.
Yep, Darren's referring to the MSDS, or Material Safety Data Sheet. Well, when you look on that, it will talk about this personal protective equipment. And what we're getting at here is there are a lot of different things that it could be. It could just simply be wear rubber gloves. It could also be you got to wear rubber gloves and rubber boots. You may have to wear a whole suit. With certain super dangerous products, you may have to wear a respirator.
Well, you also may have to use an enclosed cab to be able to spray this. And I know we used to think about that with products that were on the market a long time ago, especially. There are a couple that are still out there. I'd say you for sure have to be in a cab if you're going to use them. But even when you're in a cab, just because you're in a cab doesn't mean that you're necessarily safe if you leave the windows open or you don't have the right air filter. So you have to be careful with certain products that you may be using, just like the gasoline, like you are when you're pumping that, right? You've got your gloves on, you got all the personal protective equipment. Wait, you don't? That's one of the most dangerous products that we face anywhere in the world is gasoline. It's got very, very harmful and carcinogenic ingredients inside it. We should be wearing more personal protective equipment there.
And the reason why Darren's bringing this up is because a lot of times ag chemicals get villainized that, oh, they're causing all these problems. No, they absolutely are not. And the reason why is because farmers know what they're doing. They're using the product safely, following label directions, and using their personal protective equipment. However, when you're pumping gas, when you're cleaning your kitchen sink, or doing any cleaning around your house, are you looking at the MSDS sheet? Are you using personal protective equipment? If you're not, we would encourage you, maybe that should change, because quite frankly, it's risky when you aren't following what are indeed the label directions.
Well, we do see that with cleaning products. We see people using them barehanded.
Yep.
And all of a sudden, oh man, it did take a little bit of my skin off, or wow, that one burns. That should be an indication to you that maybe you should have put the gloves on first.
All right, so personal protective equipment, every product out there has a label. Every product out there has an MSDS sheet. Just look at that information. It will tell you what to do, when to do it. Follow the instructions, and then you should be pretty safe using just about every product out there.
Well, fortunately, you don't have to use super dangerous products to control our weed of the week. We'll show you how to stop it later in the show.